there, boys and girls. My name is Chef Ani, and I am so thrilled to be cooking with you today. Welcome to my kitchen. We are going to be making a breakfast item today. Who likes breakfast? I love breakfast. We are going to be making silver dollar pancakes, which are like little mini pancakes. Super cute, super fun, and I'm going to show you how quickly we can make these, okay? So you can grab a parent and you can make these along with me. So enough talking, let's get cooking. Today I'm using almond milk, but you could use any kind of plant-based milk you'd like to use. And one of the secrets to making really fluffy pancakes, because we want fluffy pancakes, right? We don't want super dense and hard pancakes. We want them fluffy. So how do we make them fluffy? We add a little lemon juice into our plant-based milk and we let it just rest. And that's going to help make our pancakes super fluffy. We're also going to add a little vanilla. This is going to give a really nice flavor to our pancakes. And we're also going to add a little ground flaxseed, and this is going to give us fiber and make us strong and healthy, which is what we want, right? Now we're going to set this aside and work on our dry ingredients. We're going to sift our flour so that our pancakes are super fluffy. Sometimes the flour can kind of clump together and you'll have a clumpy pancake, and we don't want clumpy pancakes, do we? So we're going to just sift it. If you don't have a sifter like this, though, you can just use any kind of sifter. I'm adding a little bit of sugar, but you could use any kind of sweetener you want to use. I have some baking powder here and a little salt. And I'm just going to mix this together so that we don't have any clumps of salt in there and someone takes a bite and it's actually salty instead of sweet. We don't want that, do we? If you don't have one of these whisks, you can use a spoon too. This will work just as well. All we have left to do is to just mix together our wet and dry ingredients. We're also going to add just a little bit of coconut oil in here. And we don't want to overmix this because then our pancakes are not going to be super fluffy. And we're trying to make them super fluffy, right? Once I don't see any more flour in here, I stop mixing. So we're just gonna stop with that. And I actually have a piping bag here. Now to make our little silver dollar pancakes, you can use a spoon, or if you want to get super technical, you can use a piping bag like this or a plastic bag. If you don't have a piping bag, use a plastic bag and just cut off a tiny little hole in one of the corners of the bag. Get a jar and you stick your piping bag in it like this, and you wrap the piping bag around the sides. And now I can very easily fill this piping bag with my batter, and I'm not going to get it all over the place. Well, I might, but I've at least tried not to. But you know what? If you do mess up in the kitchen and you spill all over the place, it's okay. We just clean it up and keep going, right? So I have now filled our bag. Pull it out like this, and looks really good. So now it's time to cook our pancakes. I have a griddle here, or a pan that is heating. You want to be very careful with this as you can burn yourself, so make sure your parent is around, okay? But you want to make sure before you put the batter on there that your pan is hot. And how do we know this? So you just drop a few drops of water on it and see how it's sizzling away? That means we can cook our pancakes now. So you want to twist one side of this so it doesn't come tumbling out one side. And if you keep it up like this, it's not going out the hole up here. Otherwise, you'll have two ends coming out on both sides and pancake batter will be all over your kitchen. Now we just wait. We have to be very patient while we wait for these to cook. And you're going to see they start to bubble. And once they're popping and little bubbles are popping on the top and the sides look cooked, then we can flip them over and cook them on the other side. And I love to add just a little maple syrup on top. Just a little bit, just like that. Do you know how maple syrup is made? Well, God actually makes the maple sap, and then we boil it down into like a syrup that we can put over our pancakes. Isn't that pretty awesome? I think that's awesome. That is so good. Thank you so much for making pancakes with me today, boys and girls. It was so much fun.